What's up, guys? Manjot here. We're back with more vacuum reviews here. So this vacuum I'm going to be reviewing today is the Shark Navigator Anti-Allergen Plus vacuum cleaner. That so that is now a school vacuum cleaner. Okay, so here is the bottom plate. First, gonna start going all the way up bottom to top here. So we got the bottom plate here. You see there's a window that shows the brush. Yeah, I always have a Shark like that. On the left side, you can see there's a light where the brush will indicator. So when it's green, it tells you it's working properly. When it's red, it tells you there's a brush will jam. And here, there's a picture where your foot is. I guess the release pedal. Here's the filter. You get a pre-motor filter right there. Yeah, so that's the motor filter. Where you take it out. Yep, that's it. Oh, I was using one hand, so I'm just gonna put the camera down for a second. So put that thing back in. Yeah, there's a pre-motor filter here. Here we got the dirt container. See those little tabs there? Can be a dirt cup. We got a carrying handle here. Yeah. Here we got the dirt cup release. And this is the on-off button right there. So I'm gonna turn this to the right side. You can see there's the hose, the main wand. Which is easy to come out like that. And on the back of the machine, there's the two hoses that coil up the cord in the vacuum when you're done. And here's the left side where the hose attaches to, right there. And here's the handle, right there. All right. So I'm just gonna give this a little test run and see how good he can collect the dust. Okay. This is really not too loud. Doing a pretty great job. Now we're ready to hose. Test the suction. Oh, hold on. Okay. Suction, okay. It's very strong. Very strong. Oh, yeah, sorry, that was. Okay. Okay, sorry, that was Mr. Tovani speaking to someone. Okay, this was the Shark Navigator Allergen Plus vacuum cleaner. So this machine, I actually got that picked up from Target because it was a Valentine's gift for Anthony Tovani. If you remember him in my Little Einstein review, when I reviewed June for Little Einsteins. It's in my YouTube channel, so you should check out that video where I reviewed June for Little Einsteins. Yeah, I wasn't gonna have him in my video, but he kind of got way too busy right now, so he's busy right now, so it's just me doing this video. So yeah, this vacuum cost about me. It costed about like $200. It's a pretty good cheap model, bagless, good quality. So I'd like you guys to like, comment, subscribe to my videos, and I'll see you guys soon on my YouTube channel. Thank you.